The burden of thirst.
Believe it or not, 900 million people in the world have no access to clean water.
Believe it or not, 2.5 billion people have no safe way to dispose of human waste.
Believe it or not, dirty water and lack of hygiene kill 3.3 million people annually.
Believe it or not, some people do not have enough money to wash their own body.
The Great Journey. It takes about 50 minutes for the women to travel to the river and get water in Ethiopia. The water in their jugs weighs over 50 pounds once they get it. When the women finally reach the river after a 50-minute journey, they have to wait 30 minutes to receive water. When they finally do get water, it is dirty. People's waste is in the Tarayo River. It is also another supply for animals, such as donkeys.
The struggle. The lack in water makes everyday life a struggle. They only have enough water to wash their clothes once a year. They have to live on 2.5 gallons of water a day, while the average American uses 100 gallons of water per day. The clinics in Ethiopia do not even have enough water to supply or sterilize their patients. Living conditions are extremely poor and lack proper hygiene. Children that are 7 years old are taking care of their 5 and 3-year-old siblings, while their mothers are fetching water and fathers are working. The people of Ethiopia are prone to waterborne disease because the quality is horrible.
Position. Our position is water should be brought to the people, and we support the efforts of WaterAid. We believe that if water is brought to the people, it will help their conditions.
A better life. Bringing clean water will lower disease, which would make Ethiopia a more sanitary environment. Trucks would provide clean water to the people so they can survive and avoid disease. Also, the women of Ethiopia can use their hours they put into fetching water for more useful manners. For example, they can focus on getting an education, making money, growing gardens, and raising their children.
To help with our foundation, you can provide donations and come to Ethiopia and provide aid for the people needing water. All your donations will be accepted gratefully.